Hi, my name's Marco,
My name's John.
and today we're going to be talking about mitosis and meiosis.
In mitosis, circle on the right side is the cell's life. So then as we see, G1, S, and G2 phase uh, is what composes interphase. Uh, in G1, the cell is growing a little larger, preparing to its membrane to divide. In S phase, the structures are being duplicated, and in G2, uh, the DNA is condensing and waiting for its signal um, to start, being aligned, and all of this is interphase. And as you see a cell in the microscope, it doesn't look like it's doing anything, but a couple of things are happening. And this M phase. In M phase, consists of prophase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. In prophase, you can visibly see the DNA. You can see the chromosomes starting to condense because the nuclear envelope dissolves. In prometaphase, in the prometaphase, chromatins attach to spindles, and they start to move to the middle of the cell. And then in metaphase, the chromosomes are aligned right in the middle of the cell, and then in metaphase, chromosomes are separated into chromatids, and then they split via microtubules. And then in telophase, the spindles dissolve, the nuclear envelope reforms, and cytokinesis begins. And cytokinesis is when the cell physically separates into two parts, and that is mitosis.
So, as for meiosis, the process is the same, except the whole process that mitosis went through, in meiosis, that will be known as meiosis 1. So, the process is the same, where it goes through prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and cytokinesis, except in prophase 1, there's a process called crossover, where some of the chromatids, they switch places, so the information is switched into another chromatid, and once they go through metaphase 1, then they start separating, and then they form two daughter cells. Now those two daughter cells, they start a new cycle called meiosis 2. So in meiosis 2, they crossed over during prophase 1, so they're not going to cross over again, but it's going to be the same process as mitosis, in which they duplicate and they form their own daughter cells, which forms in total 4 daughter cells. So in meiosis, we first started with only one parent cell, but after going through both meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, we end up with 4 distinct daughter cells.